Hi everyone, this is Victor from Data Finance, and I'm recording this video today because I want to give you an introduction of what is the Google Collaboratory, or as we like to call it here, Google Colab, which is the easiest way to program in Python and have your Python codes and Python notebooks. So today I'm going to show you first how to access Google Colab, how to create your first Google Colab notebook, and then have your first Python commands and get started with Python. So if you haven't heard of Google Colab, you need to know that this is a platform developed by Google in order to give this opportunity to program in Python without having to install complicated software, without having to, having complicated IDEs. IDEs are the Integrated Development Environment, which is the softwares that we use to program in Python. So Google Colab doesn't require installing anything. So you just need to open up your browser, and then you just can come here in the bar, right? And you can type colab.research.google.com, and then it's gonna open up this window of Google Colab, and then it's gonna prompt you to choose which code, which notebook you want to open up. Since you are beginning right now, probably you don't have a notebook created yet, right? So you need to choose the option of new notebook, which here is in Portuguese for me, but probably will be in English for you, or will be in any other language, depending on which country you are right now. So probably it will be something like new notebook. So you just need to click on this button, and here you're going to start programming in Python. It usually takes a few seconds in order to open up, because since it runs on Google Cloud, it takes a few seconds, it takes some time in order to create the session, because it's going to be executed on the clouds, on Google Clouds. So here we have our Python notebook, and the nice thing about this notebook structure is that we can mix it up. Notebook markdown comments, which is markdown. It's like a structure where we can put up comments, images, and create like beautiful reports, and we can mix it up. We can have those comments with code, so you can create a beautiful structure, beautiful report structure that's going to be very helpful for us. So this is the basic structure for this, and then we can start programming in Python. In this video today, I'm not going to give you like very deep introduction to Python. I'm not going to teach yet the commands of the Python language. I just want to give you a brief introduction to the Google Colab tool, the Google Colab platform. So if you're new to Python, one concept that you need to know is the concept of libraries. So libraries, it's like a package of functions. It's a package of functionalities we need to have in order to perform an analysis, create reports, anything. So this is a concept that it needs to be stuck in your head, right? You need to know what the libraries are. And in order to import the libraries, we're going to use the command import. So right now, I'm just going to give you a brief example of the Google Colab being used to extract financial data. So we're going to import a package, Python library called Finance. Why Finance? Because it brings data, it captures data from the Yahoo Finance website. So we just need to type this: import Finance SYF. So this here is what we call alias. So instead of calling the library all the time when I refer to it, instead of typing like y-finance all the time, I'm gonna refer to it as YF. That's gonna make my life much easier from now on. So I just need to press Shift Enter. So this is the shortcut we're gonna have to execute the cells, to execute the commands. So you just press Shift Enter and then it's gonna execute. It's gonna take a few seconds. As I told you, it needs some time to connect the session to the Google Cloud servers. Once it's connected, then it's gonna run pretty quickly. And then we have the library executed. See here, so this check mark indicates that the library has been imported. There's another way, another shortcut. In order to execute code, you can press Ctrl Enter. So it's not only Shift Enter, you can press Ctrl Enter in order to execute code. So this is gonna make the Google Colab, it's gonna execute the session and it's gonna stay in the cell that it was. So see, when I execute with Shift Enter, immediately it jumps to the next cell, right? If I execute with Ctrl Enter, then it's gonna stay in the same cell. So how we can get financial data? You can do yf.download, which is the function that we use to get financial data. You can extract data from any symbol you want around the world. For example, Apple, which is AAPL. I want to start on, let's say, January 1st of 2023. Then we have the data, which is in the OHLC format, which is open, high, low, and close. I'm not gonna enter a lot into details right now because that's gonna be for, you know, the next videos. But I just wanted to show you how to extract financial data very easily using Python, and that's it. And other things we can do with Google Colab. You can create new cells. For example, you can press Ask A, and that's gonna add a new cell above. You can press Ask, and after that press B. That's gonna add a new cell below. You can create a comment here describing what you're gonna do. You just need to press Ask, then M, actually Control M, Control M, that's it. And then this is gonna transform the cell into a markdown cell. So see that this is not a coding cell, this is a markdown cell. So here we can include comments, we can include like a highlight structure, so you can create like a title. So this is our first collab session. You can transform this text into bold, so use the bold here key. You can use the hashtag to transform this into a large title and press Shift Enter. So see, it's a very nice structure. And then you can use other structures in order to do like a hierarchy structure. Let's say you want to create a subtitle. So in this first session, we are extracting financial data from AAPL. So you can do like two hashtags, Control M, and then you have like a second level in hierarchy. So you can use like two hashtags, three hashtags, four hashtags, and so on. So see, basically that's it. I just wanted to give you a brief idea of how Google Colab looks like, what you can do with that, how to extract financial data in a couple minutes. And in the next videos, I'm gonna, I'm gonna go deep into Google Colab, into Python, and I'm gonna do much more than what we did in this first video. I hope you liked what I showed you here. If you did like, please subscribe to our channel, press the like button, and I see you on our next video. Bye.